Can everybody say hi?
Hi!
Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another episode of Kids in the Kitchen. So today we're going to make fruit kebabs. We have cut up apples, strawberries, pears, blueberries, and bananas. You can use whatever kind of fruit you want. Firm fruits are a little bit easier to use. So first I'm going to show you what to do, and then the kids are going to make. Then the kids are going to make some. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
You guys, go wash your hands. Because I've already asked you to keep your hands out of your mouth. So while they're re-washing their hands, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're going to get a skewer stick. You got to be careful because one end is sharper. And then, so what you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of fruit, whatever order you want to put them in, and use the end at the point to put it on. And then you're going to continue doing that with whatever fruit you want. Got to be careful when they're a little bit harder to put so that you don't poke yourself. This is turning into pretty much a red, white, and blue. So these are good for when you might make something for the 4th of July.
Wow, Chloe. She's going to do all those fruits again. See how it's a pattern? She's going to do it again. Pineapple?
The pears are a little bit hard to put on. Oops, I just smashed them. It's alright.
They look a little thank you on the apple. I mean, the blueberries.
So this is what mine looks like. Yours can look however you want it to look.
How do we eat it?
So now I'm going to give each of them their own skewer stick. Do not poke yourselves with this part. This is the side you put your fruit on.
The part you can put yourself is this part.
And then you put one fruit on at a time. You put it on the pointy end.
Pass me banana. Ouch. Pass me bananas. I just squished.
Use the other end, Sarita. You use the pokey end to put it on.
Maybe put on an apple.
Yeah, you can put on an apple. You can put on whatever kind of fruit you want. Just be careful.
Maybe eat it now.
Baby, gotta put a lot of fruit, look. Gotta push it on so it looks like this. Do you want help?
I think so.
Well, I told you to be careful. You're alright. You're gonna be okay. You gotta be careful.
I got some squished.
Be careful and don't push it on it like that because that's how it gets poked. That's how you poke your hand.
How do I put the strawberry in?
Just find a spot and poke it. The strawberries are pretty easy to put on.
Can you please pass me the strawberries?
Those are some good words, guys. Please
Thank you.
pass me.
I need two each of strawberries. Look, they are easy. I mean 3.
So you guys put on whatever kind of fruit you want in whatever order you want.
Banana.
Go ahead, Banana.
Oh, I think I know how to do my order. No, banana. Now.
You need to make sure you leave yourself a space to hold it. So
Blue berries. It almost fell out.
oh no.
Go. I need a banana. Blueberry. I need other apple. Pear. Hey, after they made it.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put it in here so that we can eat them in a little bit, okay?
Did we make it again?
You wanna make another one?
Yeah.
You can make one more.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna put 2 there. There, Chloe. strawberry.
You done with that one?
Okay.
Want to make one more?
Can you please pass me the strawberries again? They didn't want mine.
Be careful with those ones, Michael,
Thank you.
because those ones are hard to put on.
3 strawberries. One strawberry. Whoa!
Okay.
Nana.
I'm gonna tell you guys, we need to save some of this fruit for our next one, so finish up. Travis, that's enough on that one.
Okay. I don't have to eat it. I can't put this one on it. I made too much on mine. Can I make another one, please?
Everybody gets to make 2.
That's funny how you Can I ask? Please pass me these. They're called blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good counting. Well, be careful.
No, the banana squished on my hand.
Yeah, but please don't stick your fingers in your mouth. Nobody wants your volvas in their food.
Okay. Okay. I don't have to eat it.
In a little bit, we can eat it. Michael, put more fruit on yours, babe, or are you done?
You don't have a
Those are blueberries, baby.
blueberries. Look how they hit. A strawberry. I want to keep putting blueberries.
That's fine.
Can I eat one?
In a little bit, you're going to eat everything, so.
Hey.
Take the...
I
would take the stems off, Travis.
Hey, I am apples.
You guys done?
Not yet. Look how I'm doing. Banana. Ah!
Careful, Michael. You almost poked Travis in the eye. You done? Okay.
That's like banana
Let me see.
peel. I almost make their top. I almost. Ow, I almost myself.
That one's Travis's. That one's Michael's. That one's Cole's.
What can I do?
Just wait there until everybody's done. Okay, Travis, you're done. There's not even any room for yours. Remember I told you needed to have room to hold it?
Mm-hmm. It just looks so yummy.
That's Travis's. Michael, come on, baby. I think you're done too, baby.
Yeah, I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
Your brother spoke me in the eyes when I moved.
So, this is what our fruit kebabs look like. Yeah. So if you like this video, what should he do?
Thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below what your favorite fruit is. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you next time.